Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Blake Lively's push to dismiss Justin Baldoni's defamation countersuit is drawing support from several advocacy groups, who say the case threatens a hard-won legal protection for people who speak out about sexual harassment and misconduct. Equal Rights Advocates, a San Francisco-based legal nonprofit that advocates for gender equity and workplace protections, filed an amicus brief on Tuesday urging a federal judge to uphold Lively's motion and defend California's new free speech law protecting those who speak publicly about sexual misconduct. A separate letter of interest was also filed by Elise Dorsey, a former federal employee and sexual harassment survivor, who described being sued for defamation after speaking out and said the law at issue could have spared her a years-long legal ordeal. Additional briefs are expected in the coming days from advocacy groups including Child United States and Sanctuary for Families. Blake Lively's push to dismiss Justin Baldoni's defamation countersuit is drawing support from several advocacy groups, who say the case threatens a hard-won legal protection for people who speak out about sexual harassment and misconduct. The briefs mark the latest salvo in a months-long legal clash between Lively and Baldoni, whose bitter dispute stemming from the production of last year's romantic drama It Ends With Us has played out in court and the press. Asked about the briefs, a spokesperson for Lively said in a statement that Baldoni was trying to end the nation's only Me Too law as unconstitutional and accused him and his co-defendants of being so focused on trying to harm Ms. Lively that they are willing to shred a law designed to protect all victims just to make sure they bury one. The statement added that Lively will continue to use her voice to speak up for justice on behalf of herself and others. Lively has accused Baldoni, her co-star and the film's director, of harassing her during filming, citing improvised on-set physical contact, inappropriate conduct and alleged retaliation after she raised concerns claims he has denied. Advocates say her case highlights the kind of public allegations that the law was meant to protect and warn that a ruling against her could chill speech around harassment. If the law were to be struck down, it wouldn't just affect Blake Lively, it would essentially do away with the protections for all survivors, said Jessica Shidlow, legal director at Child United States, a nonprofit that advocates for stronger protections for abuse survivors. It would be a devastating setback and completely undermine the purpose of the law, which was to make it easier for victims to come forward and to speak their truth without fear of retaliation. Lively invoked the law California Civil Code Section 47 of Subsection 1 enacted in 2023 as part of Assembly Bill 933 in a motion filed in March to dismiss Baldoni's $400 million countersuit, which alleges she falsely accused him of harassment and retaliation and tried to wrest control of the film from him. So what's your thoughts on this? Let me know on the comments section below. Thanks.